Hello friends, my name is Leia of Cozi Crochet Co, where I show you how to crochet the cozy way. And in today's video, I am super excited. I have been holding off opening this. This is a della bag that my husband got me for our anniversary. We just celebrated 4 years being married to each other. Super fun. So this was one of my anniversary gifts that he got me, and I'm so thankful. But before I show you what it is, I'm gonna be sharing with you everything that I have in my current bag. But before we get started, if you like crochet and yarn content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also like this video so I know to do more like it. Comment down below your thoughts on today's topic, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. If you want to support my content, buy me a coffee. The link is down below. All right, so let's get started. I'm gonna show you what's in this bag. We're gonna go through it really quickly because it's a lot of stuff. So I don't know about y'all, but I'm a passenger princess. If me and my husband are in the same car, most likely he's gonna be driving, so I have to make sure I have something to do. And this is literally, I have so much stuff in this bag, and I needed to clean this out such a long time ago, but I have been putting it off. And we just got back from a road trip. We went to Blacksburg for my sister's graduation. She graduated from Virginia Tech. And this is the bag that I carry with me. And so we're just gonna get through it really quickly. Okay, so the first thing that's on top is my, this is called the polka dot bag. I'll link it down below if you're interested, but I've had this bag since I was like, I wanna say in middle school. It's called polka dots because it has Edgar Allan Poe. Anyway, I love this thing so much. It's like a pencil case. I have like notions in here. I have pens. I have some headphones. Let's see, I have a pin in here. This is from the James River yarn crawl. I have super glue, whiteout. I have this stitch holder. I have some snips, like the cheap ones. What's this, like a bobbin thingy? And this pin from where I get my taxes done. So this is kind of like a catch-all. I have like this tube that has darning needles in it. This is from Clover. You can get these are like literally Michael's or Duran's, and I keep all my darning needles so I don't lose them, which I still end up losing them. So there's that. If you watched my last video, I threw this in here because I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna make with this. This is just some boucle yarn and some alpaca yarn. Next, I have these Denise interchangeable Tunisian crochet hooks. That I'm supposed to be doing a like review of well, it's not first impressions. I've actually had these for a while, so I'm doing a review on these, so they're in here. Well, this is the swatch that I did with the Denise Tunisian crochet hook. This is just a simple chevron Tunisian crochet. I'm just kind of practicing because I kind of want to make a blanket out of this stitch. I have an open oh my gosh, I hope nothing fell out. This is my Lantern Moon Tunisian crochet hooks. Y'all know how much I love my Lantern Moon crochet hooks. I have a pack of gum. I have a microphone because you never know whenever you need a do a voiceover. I have some beads, moon amber beads. I think I got these from Shein like a long time ago to make stitch markers. This had like a little chain on it, but this is like a knit gauge swatch key. I don't knit, but I like to use this for the like names of the different yarn weights, so then I'm accurate when I'm talking about yarn. A hair clip. I have this project bag. I just finished this project, so we have some yarn. I was actually looking for this charger. Oh my gosh. I have my Furls crochet hook. I'm glad this is not break. I have my Furls crochet hook. This is the swirl. It's in a 6mm. And I have some measuring tape. Oh my gosh, that's so dangerous. I just have a random pair of scissors just flying around in here. And then this bag, this is like one of those Japanese knot bags. I got this from Michael's one year when they were doing their sale. I have a project in here that my friend asked me to make her a long sleeve ribbed sweater back in, I want to say November of 2022. We are now in May of 2023. I have the back done, and I've had to do this, make it and unmake it so many times. And then this is the front. Sleeves are not done. Ribbing is not done. And so we have the yarn that goes to that. I'm gonna put that to the side. If she watches this video, she'll know who she is. I have some more measuring tape. I have a pin. I have another furls crochet hook. This has to be like my 6mm. I have a ball of yarn. This is the Premier Hipster Cotton. And then I have the project. I have some more Hipster Cotton. And then I have the project that I'm working on. You guys have been wanting me to write a pattern for it. So I've been writing a pattern for it, which means doing it over again. I have some hand sanitizer. This is my absolute favorite. This is the Orange Ginger Aromatherapy from Bath and Body Works. You know, I have a toddler, so I need that. I have yet another project. I don't know what I was doing with this. I might end up frogging it because I don't remember. I've started this so long ago. With this fuzzy yarn, I'm just doing Tunisian crochet simple stitch. Maybe I was making a top, but I don't know what I was doing, so definitely can't fit it now. And I'm using a 6.5mm Tunisian crochet hook with this, and we have the yarn to go along with it. And I got some scissors in this cute little pouch. This pouch is from Della. I originally bought this because they have this gray color always on sale. And so the bag that I actually have that I'm going to show you today is available in this gray color, but half the price. On the website, it looks more purple than gray. So that's why I decided to get something small and see if I like the color. And it is gray. It's not purple. It's kind of showing up a little like a lavender on the website, but this is gray. So it's a nice gray, but gray is not my palette of choice. But I like it because your scissors are really secure and you can snap it off, and it's a really nice pair of scissors. Honestly, I kind of like it with these two in here. I wish I could put both of them here, but cute. I have a M hook. I think this is a 9mm. I'm wrong. I think this is 12. 12mm prim or prime. I've heard people call it prime. Crochet hook. We're in this little pocket right here. I have a clover. What is up with my 6mm all in one place? 6mm clover crochet hook. Some stitch markers. Another crochet hook. Oh my gosh. This is also, now I know where all my 6mm crochet hooks are. I have another 6mm crochet hook. I got these from the James River Yarn Crawl. I talked about these in a video. And some shawl pins that I'm actually really like, and it matches my scissors. Fun. Some other Rogue stitch markers. That's it for my bag. This is actually, when I used to work at American Eagle, this is one of the bags that I got. So it just says American Eagle on it. It's a really nice bag. All right, so this is everything that, ew, don't look at my foot. Ew. This is everything that was in the bag. You see I have stuff on my windowsill. And so now we're going to try to organize it a little bit. All right, so I just spent some time organizing the contents of my bag and just making sure and really figuring out what I'm going to put in the new bag. So now it's time to unbag it. All right, so it came in like this really nice plastic della. I love this emblem. It's on all of their hardware, so... And then it has like this dust bag. Now I was really considering, right now they have like the gray and then they have the pink color in this bag for half off, which I was considering, but I really wanted to get something that I knew wouldn't stain, and because I'm really rough with my bags, I take them everywhere, so I wanted one that's dark. And I also got this color so it can match my lantern moon case, and I feel like you can find anything in this maroon color, so that's why I got the maroon. Now I'm gonna put like the name of what this bag is called and link it down below. My mutual here on YouTube, Yarn Armor, I'll link her video down below. Her video definitely solidified that my next crafting bag is going to be from della. Now this was in pre-order for a very long time, and they said that you would get it in June. Well, it's May, and it came literally just in time for our anniversary. So this is what it looks like, and it's like this nice canvas. It's a really nice size, and it has this gorgeous hardware on it. And as you can see, their logo, like this little lotus, absolutely gorgeous. It's everywhere. Company name right here, and then you have this front zipper, and inside it has like a postcard. What makes it a maker bag? Features to make it easier. So it has a stitch marker pen, a yarn cutter, a yarn feeder, and a dot journal in here. Cute! So, oh, this is the dot journal. Life is what you make it. Cute! It has a cute little journal in here. Okay, I actually like dot journals because if you're writing down like stitches or drawing schematics of a garment, those are really nice. I'm kind of glad that came with it. It's super cute. It's kind of small though, but I mean it's free, so I'm gonna use that. It also came with a, oh, and it just fell. It came with a della little darning needle, and you get, it says crafting for the heart. Cute. Okay. And so it has a stitch marker holder. Now, I'm going to be honest, these stitch markers are absolutely gorgeous. I probably will not keep them in the front of my bag, but I actually love this pin that comes with it. I'll probably take these off and actually put like actual stitch markers that I don't mind losing. But this pin can actually be used as a shawl pin as well. It's very nice. And you're supposed to put it on the front of the bag. So it looks like this. That's really cute. And then you can clip and unclip your stitch markers. I kind of don't trust it. I don't know. We'll see how long that lasts. But I don't know. We'll see. I might keep it on there. And then that's it for this pocket. And then you have another pocket right here, which can be used like for your cell phone or your wallet. And then you open up this bag. We have a little tag. It just says Rucksack. So this is the maker's rucksack. And this is the yarn guide. We're just taking it. I love this hardware. And it's nice leather too. So you would put your yarn in the bag and then feed it through. So then it will stay, you know, in place. And it has just amazing hardware on it. Super cute. It looks like it's in there too, and it's not going to come apart. Really nice quality. So on the opposite side, you have a yarn cutter. It kind of looks like the thing that you have on floss. So I don't know. I'm going to be honest, I probably won't use this. I might like push that down. Because I don't want to get stuck to like any other yarn or any other projects I have in here and cut that on accident. And then we have the strap. I mean, this hardware is absolutely gorgeous. So you can make it crossbody, like long or short. I like that. On the side, you can clip it to like kind of cinch it in. And it looks like there's a pocket right here, maybe like for some pins. Yeah, and they have it on the other side too. And then this canvas is like waxed canvas. And you have two pockets on the back. There's nothing in here. You have two pockets on the back. Oh my goodness. This is like the bottom of it. It feels like a really durable, maybe plastic. Feels more like plastic. And it has the della logo on it. So this is going to fit perfectly at the bottom to kind of keep the structure of the bag. So let me go ahead and put that in there. All right, and so this is what it looks like. Nice and structured, and it is so cute. Let me just cut this off. Isn't that so cute? Oh my gosh, I love the color. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm very excited to put my stuff in here. So yeah, wow, it has nice pockets. First impressions of it, I'm actually very impressed. It has a lot of room in here. The only things that kind of like are messing me up, these are like little criticisms, and I feel like with any bag I'm very picky because I'm very picky about my bags. I don't know how to, it doesn't open up all the way because of like this hardware right here is connected to both sides, and then you're like, you know what I'm saying, like it's not all the way open. But I guess that's just the design of the bag. And there's not any pockets on the inside of the bag. Now I know originally you're supposed to buy like spacers for the bag, and then that adds even more structure, but I'm gonna be honest, I probably wouldn't use them. But I do wish that there was like another like bigger pocket on the inside. But other than that, this is nice. It's very nice. Very nice. And then the yarn cutter, I think I'm gonna probably like maybe put some tape over it or tack it down so it doesn't disturb any other yarn that I have floating. Because y'all see I have a lot of projects and yarn floating in my bags. But I really like this. Here's some of the things that I like the most about it. There's a lot of outside pockets, right? You have outside pockets. I love this pocket. And you have places for like your pins and stuff. I do really like the strap. The strap is very nice. It's not like that rough material. It's kind of like nice, comfortable. I like the hardware, but I just don't like how it's kind of like restrictive. I wish this was maybe a little bit bigger, so then the bag opens up all the way. But I guess it's not meant to open up all the way because they have snaps right here to kind of cinch it in. I love this yarn feeder. I think that's just nice. I like the little things that came in here. I think I'm gonna probably purchase the maroon for the scissors so I can just like, it matches with the rest of my bag. And I can like clip it on here some way so it's like cute. Let's see, just like that. I don't know, the gray doesn't look too bad. But I think it's gonna bother me after a while. So I might buy like another, I might give this one away when I do my next giveaway, and like buy one that's the same color as the bag. This is nice. Della cute. So I'm gonna link this bag and the scissors down below in the description as well, so you can check it out for yourself, as well as some of the other stuff that I talked about in this video if you're interested in it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and have fun packing this bag. Yeah, I would love to hear from you down in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, and that's gonna be it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and as always, create something gorgeous. Bye guys.